Welcome to Jake Dude's Review. Today, I'm going to be reviewing not one, but two items from Carl's Jr. The chicken stars and the Crisscut fries. First, the Crisscut fries. For one thing, they're shaped differently than the ones at McDonald's or Burger King. They're kind of like the ones at Chick-fil-A, but I prefer the ones at Carl's Jr. because they're juicier and tastier, and they have better spice, and they're more spicier. Normally I would not like spice, but in this case I do. And as for taste, you can really taste the potato. You can really taste the it's very tasty. It's very juicy. Much better than Chick-fil-A's. The chicken stars, I like the texture, how it's crispy and it looks like a real star. And it's also flaky as well. And as for taste, it's crispy, it's tasty, it's juicy, and it's chickeny. I know there's no such word as chickeny, but the point is it does taste like chicken. I give both of them a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.